Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Seianders is probably one of the most innovative products I've come across this year. It's designed to revolutionize the way you experience product category. In this video, we're diving deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll explore everything from its sleek design and ease of use to its impressive capabilities and potential drawbacks. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick 8-Speed Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy mixtures? This immersion blender is your solution. It mixes, blends, whisks, and froths quickly and efficiently. This blender comes with multiple detachable accessories. You can make smoothies, whipped cream, and even beat eggs with it. The attachments include a blending shaft for shakes and soups, a frother for all milk types, and a whisk for cream or batter. These attachments make it incredibly versatile. With its ergonomic grip and non-slip handle, this handheld blender offers turbo mode for increased power. The blade housing also reduces splashes. Just attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed to your liking. Detailed instructions are included. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe. This makes it convenient for everyday use. What we like. This immersion blender comes with multiple attachments, making it incredibly versatile. It can handle everything from smoothies to whipped cream. If you are looking for a kitchen tool that can do it all, this is the perfect choice. You'll love how easy it is to clean and store. What people say. It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. I love the immersion blender for creaming soups, especially potato or butternut squash soup, mashing beans, and making smoothies in a mason jar. The device itself, chrome and black with dark blue lights, looks like it cost well more than twice what I paid. Number 4. Ninja Fit Personal Blender QB3001SS. This personal blender has a 700-watt motor that can blend anything in a cup. It works as a juicer, smoothie maker, and milkshake machine. It is a great choice for your kitchen. It unlocks hidden vitamins and nutrients from fruits and veggies. You can extract a nutritious drink with this portable blender. It helps you to get more nutrition. This blender crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients. You can make resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and shakes. It replaces juicer machines and ice crushers. It's so compact that it fits on any countertop. With easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender. It is designed to be simple and easy to use. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and enjoy your creations on the go. It is a convenient and portable blender for your daily life. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. It is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. Cleaning is easy and convenient. It includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide. You can get started with easy-to-prepare ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. It helps you to create more recipes. What we like. The Ninja Fit Personal Blender boasts a powerful 700-watt motor, perfect for crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients. It also extracts nutrients from fruits and vegetables. If you are always on the move and want to enjoy healthy smoothies, this blender is your ideal companion. It's compact, portable, and easy to use. What people say. The Seianders are a great addition to any home. They are easy to set up and use. The design is sleek and modern, and they fit in well with any decor. The sound quality is excellent, and they provide a rich and immersive listening experience. Number 3. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Get ready to explore the galaxy with this detailed LEGO model. It's the Razor Crest starship from the Mandalorian series. This set is perfect for any Star Wars fan. This set includes the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the child, also known as Baby Yoda. Plus, there's an IG-11 droid figure. You can recreate your favorite scenes with these characters. The Razor Crest has a dual minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters. It also has a detachable escape pod. This ship is packed with features for exciting play. The cargo hold has opening side boarding ramps. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a sleeping area. It's easy to access all the details. Relive the battles against the scout trooper and other enemies. The set includes weapons for all the minifigures. This set is a great gift for kids aged 10 and up. What we like. This LEGO Star Wars set lets you build the iconic Razor Crest starship from the Mandalorian series. It includes the child, Baby Yoda, minifigure. If you are a Star Wars fan or looking for a gift for someone who loves the series, this set is a fantastic choice. It's a fun and engaging build that will bring the adventures of the Mandalorian to life. What people say. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The set comes with some wonderfully realized minifigs to carry out your own Star Wars stories with. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The spring-loaded shooters work and are discreetly located. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, 2 stickered carbonite pieces included, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF 30400Z1200W Blender, Dark Gray. This is the ultimate cooking companion. It has multiple speeds to blend any recipe quickly and precisely. With 3 precision speeds and a pulse function, you have full control at the press of a button. It's designed to make your life easier. This blender has 1200 W of power, allowing you to create an endless array of smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butters. It can handle almost anything. The package includes a 1200 watt motor base, a 64-ounce blender pitcher with lid and vented lid cap, a tamper, and a recipe book. Everything you need is right there. The blender blade is made of powerful stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. The BPA-free pitcher is made of high-performance plastic, built to last. Cleaning is hassle-free, simply place the pitcher in the dishwasher. It's designed for convenience. This product includes a 1-year limited warranty. It's a purchase you can feel confident about. What we like. The NutriBullet blender offers 1200 watts of power and multiple speeds for precise blending. It's perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. If you like to have full control over your blending process and want a blender that's easy to clean, this is the one for you. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily it blends your favorite recipes. What people say. Solid construction and components. 1200 watts has the power to do the job and quickly. It blends very well and real quick. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Get ready to build the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever. This set is perfect for adult Star Wars fans and expert builders. It will inspire hours of fun recreating iconic movie scenes or proudly displaying it as a collectible model. This Millennium Falcon comes with 7,541 pieces and includes 2 crews of minifigures. You'll find Han Solo, Chewbacca, Princess Leia, and C-3PO, plus the Episode 7-8 crew, older Han Solo, Rey, and Finn. It's a fantastic collection of beloved characters. Explore the detailed interior. It features a main hold seating area, a Dejuric holographic game, a combat remote training helmet, and an engineering station with a turning seat. The rear compartment even has an engine room with a hyperdrive and 2 escape pod hatches. The exterior is just as impressive. It includes removable hull panels, a lowering boarding ramp, and a concealed blaster cannon. There's also a 4 minifigure cockpit with a detachable canopy and interchangeable sensor dishes. This model measures over 8 inches high, 33 inches long, and 22 inches wide. Builders can slide a panel to reveal the concealed blaster cannon. You can also turn Leia's and Han's heads to see their breathing mask decorations. What we like. This LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon is the ultimate build for adult fans. It includes classic characters and features a detailed exterior. If you are an experienced builder and a Star Wars enthusiast, this set is a must-have. It's a challenging and rewarding build that will look amazing on display. What people say. The level of detail is impressive, from the intricate cockpit to the exterior design, it truly captures the essence of the iconic ship. The design features movable parts, like the rotating radar dish and the cockpit, and you can even remove the top to reveal the interior, which has been thoughtfully detailed. The set includes plenty of fun features. There are minifigures of Han Solo, Chewbacca, Leia, and others, plus hidden compartments, making it a great interactive build for both adults and kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.